37.
That was fun.
That was a good one.
I'm just going to film Pullman Class 73. There's Pullman Class 73 and friendly 79-year-old from the VR Signalman. Now I'm going to ride the 37. Now I'm going to ride 37 now, if that's alright.
Okay.
Which one are you going to ride next up, Aisha?
Probably the LNER 458.
Okay. Pullman Class 73 and friendly 79-year-old from VR Signalman. Oh. There he is. There's the Pullman Class 73 and the new volunteer.
Because I was going to watch the fighting game that time.
They talk Percy now.
Oh no, they put Percy's small engine on.
Yeah, Percy's small engine.
There's the joyful 70-year-old in the cameo, just over there in the green coat.
Oh, over here, yeah.
And there's the, 73's just coming up. Oh, sorry. 73's just coming. The friendly 70... No, I'm going first 7. The friendly 79-year-old's gone off it. And there's the joyful 70-year-old standing there in his green coat in the cameo. Oh, okay. There's the friendly Pullman Class 73. And Trains and Railways volunteers too.
Okay, wanna come out?
Yeah, this is nice camera.
There's Pullman Class 73 miniature locomotive with a random volunteer driving, the one which I haven't.
It's somehow not the friendly 79-year-old.
No, because he's chatting over there, isn't he?
Yeah, with the Tommy driver.
Yes, and the and one of the female volunteers. No offence.
And the Vespa driver is here.
There's the joyful 70-year-old's wife in cameo, and the Vespa driver.
But his Vespa not here.
And there's the lovely cashier in the cameo.
Cashier. There's a cashier, yeah.